Well, Mandingos, here we are. We have night 2 of the 14-night camping trip. Let me show you what I've done. I changed the mattress because the last mattress was wobbly and not as comfortable as this one. So I changed it up. We got the same pillow, I'm in the same tent. We're rocking it up. It's like 9:30. We're going to bed around 12 o'clock tonight, I think. So, I think I'll catch you guys later. Maybe we'll sit outside tonight or so. But anyway, that is it from me. Bye. I'm just off to bed now, guys. I'll see you in the morning. It's like 11:30. The Wi-Fi has been absolutely crap out here tonight. So there's no point in me watching any more YouTube because I physically can't. So I'm going to get some rest now. And I'll hopefully see you in the morning. Now, peace out. Bye. Morning, Mandingos, and it's me, Harvey Hill. Ugh. The time is like 8:50. 10 to 9. Absolutely beautiful last night. That was the longest sleep I've had in a long time. Anyway, thank you for round 2. I'll see you tonight for night 3 of the holiday. Peace out. Bye.